Okay, we got the box open and it's dash cam FITCAMX for Skoda Octavia, and this is how it looks, the packaging. What is inside here is some accessories. Gonna have a look inside. Yep. Is it card reader, USB-C and USB-B, and tools for fitting. We also got the manuals over here. Get card, get support card, manual as before. You wanna proper check the unboxing and some stuff what is inside the box. Check the video for my Honda. I go more on deep on this one. We can just quickly have a look how it looks like, camera inside. I also got another stative, I don't need. And this is how it looks, the camera for the Skoda Octavia 3 from 2016 or 17. And this is how it looks like. It's more simple for the Honda one, but yeah, doesn't look bad. We got the two buttons over here, and we also got a memory card which should be like for the Honda 64 gigs. Yeah, it's 64 gigs. Camera inside, camera on the front. Just one cable for connection. Should be easy. But let's go dive on the car. And this is how it looks like. It looks nice. You can also use the mirrors and looks everything perfect.